Hello friends, welcome to our channel Universal Paji. Today we have a special video wherein we will be unboxing our fire stick. Yes, you heard it right. We will unbox today our fire stick that I purchased yesterday and today it was delivered by Amazon.in. So in this video you can see that I already have one 4K fire stick with me. This one is my older fire stick which I'm using for last 1 year, and this packet is a new fire stick. It's all packed and we will be unboxing this particular fire stick today, and we will see what's in the box and we will compare 4K fire stick with a normal fire stick. So friends, before we start, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surajit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Paji. Let's start unboxing of our fire stick. So we have our brand new fire stick. So we will discuss what fire stick is and what it's used for. So you can see that we have YouTube, Netflix, Sony Live, Z5, Woot and so many applications that you can install using this fire stick. Using this fire stick you can make your normal TV a smart TV. So let's see what's inside the box. Wow, it's looking so amazing. It's all new. So here you can see what's written on the box. It's written Alexa 1080p, Dolby Audio, quad-core processor that is inside the fire stick, and Wi-Fi 802.11 AC. So what's included in the box? It's written one Amazon Fire Stick 2nd generation, one Alexa voice remote, two AAA batteries, power adapter and USB cable, along with one HDMI extender cable also. So the content for this 4K Fire Stick and this normal Fire Stick are same. So if you want to see the difference between the two, the main difference is that if you have a 4K TV or if you are going to purchase a 4K TV, then it's recommended that you always go for 4K Fire Stick. So you can see additional thing that is available in 4K Fire Stick is that it supports 4K Ultra HD video. Other than that, it also supports HDR, that is high dynamic range. Along that, it also supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound. So if you want, you can write in comment section. If you want, I can provide you more details that what is Dolby Vision and what is Dolby Atmos. So just for your reference, one is the picture quality and another one is the sound quality. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box of this fire stick. We have a single seal here which is very easy to remove. An amazing product by Amazon. Just no need to use this knife. I just kept it. It was not of any use for me because Amazon is a great company. See, they already have amazing packing here, right? So let me open and let's see what inside the box. So first of all, let me put it here. We have two AAA batteries from Amazon. This one is for remote. We have some manuals wherein it provides description that how to use what inside, one fire stick, remote, HDMI extender, the power adapter and the USB cable, and it's all about how you can connect and what all are the functions of your Fire Stick and remote. We have another booklet which provides detail about all the programs available on Prime Video. Other than that, it provides that what commands you can give to Alexa, and Alexa will act accordingly. Okay, so these all are the document works, so you can read it. Here we can see this one is the HDMI extender. We will discuss why this is required. Here micro USB cable that will be used to give power to our Fire Stick. Here we have amazing remote, so you can see this one is the voice button. This one is a new remote, by the way. Okay, in earlier Fire Stick these buttons and this power button was not available. So voice button using which you can give command to Alexa. These are the navigation button, home, back. This one is the menu button, play, forward, backward, and these are the volume control. So you can also sync your TV. You can control your TV volume using these buttons. So there is no need to use the TV remote. This one is the mute button, so I can open it. So it's very amazing, very lightweight, very small. See, it looks really very amazing and amazing quality remote. So these are the battery sockets where we can insert the battery. Now the time is for Fire Stick. Alright guys, so here we have our Fire Stick. Brand new from Amazon. So this one is the HDMI connector. So if your TV has a HDMI connector, then it doesn't matter whether you are using a smart TV or not, because this particular device is used to install applications on this particular Fire Stick. So it can convert your normal TV to a smart TV, and you can watch Netflix, you can install YouTube, Sony Live, Z5, and lots of applications available on Amazon store. So they have their own Amazon store from where you can download all the required applications. So this one is the USB power socket where this USB will be inserted, and we also have power adapter. See, a brand new power adapter. Wow, it's looking amazing. So these are the things available in our box. You can see from left it's the Fire TV remote, a very good looking one, Fire Stick, the extender, two AAA cells, the power adapter, and the USB cable to provide power to our Fire Stick. So these are all the components available, along with these two manuals which you can read. The extender, which is used to connect the Fire Stick with the TV. It keeps distance between Fire Stick and TV. It's always recommended to use the extender because it helps to boost the signal for the Wi-Fi. So let's set up this Fire Stick on our TV and let's see how it boots and what exactly needs to be done to start it on our TV. So I have inserted the Fire Stick in the HDMI port, and you can see Fire Stick is booting up. So this one is the first screen. Now it's asking me to press the button on my remote. So this one is the button. See, it's asking me to select the language. So this one is the interface. As you can see, it already have Prime Video, Amazon Music, so you can see that 5.23 GB is still available. So it's huge space for installing the applications, because applications do not take so much space on this Fire Stick. And if you want to see what all applications are already installed on this Fire Stick, so these are the applications already installed. So pretty much from my side, and if you have any kind of questions, please do write in comments and we will answer them accordingly. And I hope you have liked this video. So please click on the like sign, subscribe to our channel, because it motivates us to bring more and more content like this for you all guys out there. So if you have any requests, please let us know and we will make the video for the Fire Stick. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.